Fears of an imminent coup are growing in Zimbabwe as uniformed soldiers have been spotted in various growth points in the rural areas, raising concerns of a military intervention reminiscent of the 2017 coup that led to the ouster of former President Alaji Mugabe. Sinapinda mashoko vanhu ava kutya pana pachiti aiwa katsi zvoda kutanga here pavanoona kuti aiwa vakomana vari mumakamaflash vanoonekwa munzvimbo dzakasiyana-siyana. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. TV Namudanyo Kamchinzi. Reports indicated that soldiers were seen this afternoon at Nyika Growth Point, while earlier in the day, more than 20 military tanks were spotted in Harare's Borodale area. The sight of such a heavy military presence has fueled speculation about a possible coup, especially aimed amid deepening divisions within the ruling ZANU-PF party. The sudden and unusual movement of military hardware mirrors events leading up to the 2017 coup, when soldiers were first seen patrolling states before military tanks were deployed to strategic locations, including parliament and police stations, to disarm police officers who had become Mugabe's de facto paramilitary force. Despite growing unease, government officials have dismissed concerns of a coup. Presidential spokesperson Joe Charamba, posting under his pseudonym Donzam0007 on social media, stated that the movement of military tanks in Harare is part of routine drills. In quotes, support your Zimbabwe Defense Forces, ZDF, as it goes through the routine of ensuring all its battle systems are in tip-top state. ZDF keeping you secure and defended, Charamba posted. Domashoko anamudanyora panapa vakuona Charamba achidefenda this issue vachiti aiwa musafunga zvakawanda, but vanhu aiwa vanotanga kutora mafears vachiti aiwa votanga kuona masoja pamwe matengazi munyika vanotosha kuti zvakufamba sei. Tudzidzei mafukuro enyu kuti mudipa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kana kumaisection medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.